For the non-English song, English. Yo, that's genius. Candy Kush, Candy Kush. Take me and my bonus suit, they pull up at the dinner hood.
I arrive with that in my hat. Oh, he knows those kisses so well. Soon he'll step up just right. Yeah, nice foot. All my friends eat well.
Yeah, nice foot, bro. I doubt that's what he said, bro.
I arrive with that in my hat.
I arrive.
Yeah, he knows those kisses. Yes, soon he'll step up nicely. Yes, everyone eats well. Sharing that foot with each other. I have carrots on my foot.
Turn Gangnam Style into English. Yo.
During the day, a warm, classy woman who enjoys a cup of coffee.
I'm sorry. Cause I feel like I'm sorry. Your bitch is on me, it's on me.
Yo, guys. You're gonna watch this with me for the first time, yo. You guys about to watch this with me for the first time. Guys, that's the best way around these, bro. These free AI services, bro. Route on Buddy Red. What should I transcribe? What language should I transcribe that to? Okay. Oh my god, it's ready. It's ready. Spanish. It's ready. Guys, you ready? Oh, I should have told it to like transcribe past the intro. Yo, Popsky, was that on point, bro? Yo, that shit was kind of going crazy. Yo, where's everything, bro? 2016, 17 was so fire, bro. Hindu? Okay, that's perfect. Hindi. Yo, I love Hindi, bro. I'm not gonna hold you. The language is beautiful. Oh my god, it transcribed the Japanese one. Are you guys ready for the Japanese one? Okay.
入試動物としてどれを選ぶべきか。スバルが好きだけど赤とポロどっちわからないな。カナダ人として殺し物を肌う。レンズのように四つよ。友達じゃないから触らないで。冗談だろ俺から。
Yo, this shit is so hard.
近づく。
This shit is so fucking hard. Wait, what the? Wait.
スパイラルまるで致命傷灰のように言つ。撃たれたけど受け止めた海賊俺は致命傷灰だ戦勝金は私失笑ドル
Kaizoku, bro. Nah, I'm on pirate shit, bro. Are these real clips? Yo, Mills was fucking high as shit, bro. Nah. Imagine the video was fake. Nah. You must be high as shit wondering what the fuck is going on. Nah. This is an old music video that I did. Nah, that's Funky's Greg. That's not Armin. That's not me.
今は自由だ頂点にいる今は自由だ
Yo, wait, that's so hard. Wait, let's do it again. Yo, wait, run it back. This is crazy, bro. What is happening, bro? Like, what is the world, bro? Like, there's like a new AI tool every day, bro. Yo, cheers.
入試動物としてどれを選ぶべきかスバルが好きだけど赤とポロどっちわからないなカナダ人として殺し物を肌うレンズのように四つよ友達じゃ
Wait,
ない
you
か
know,
ら
like, the crazy part is, like, the AI literally takes out your voice and keeps the beat perfectly. Like, you understand the level of, like, what the f, bro? Yo, Funky's Greg has mad albums, bro. Because the t-shirt that I was wearing was a Supreme collab with these artists. And I put their actual art on the crazy, bro. Yo, where can I find this, bro? Search up Funky's Greg, bro. Just go down the rabbit hole, bro.
And audio. Hello, welcome to Rask AI.
Bro, look at the receipt. Yo, peep this. This is crazy. This is the crazy part. Look, watch this. If you guys don't know, yo, look at 360 degrees, right? Look at the digits and the number. 3 plus 6 plus 0 equals 9. Now, let's do 360 plus 360 is 720. 7 plus 2 plus 0 is 9. Look at the definitions. When you look at a live stream, they got 1440p. 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 0 equals 9, bro. And look at this. Look. 9 times 2, right? The second finger right here. 1 and then 8. So 18. And then look, 9 times 3, right? Take my third finger down. 2, 7. This is the border. 7, 27. I'm pussy. Yo, it's transcribed to Hindi. You guys ready? Yo, 369 also, bro. Yo, it just didn't transcribe. It was just too crazy to transcribe. Yo. Nah, this video couldn't be transcribed, so it's just silent, bro. What the fuck? English? Huge. Yo. Ramstein is so fire, too. Alright, let's put that. Okay, next video. What's the next video? That's uploading. Turn a non-English song English. Yo, that's genius. I know the perfect one. I know the perfect one. I'm gonna turn a Dutch song. This song that I really love, bro. Take me in my bonus suit. Pull up met the dinner goed. Take the anime Japanese One Piece theme and make it English, bro. So literally just do the dub, guys, is their job. Yo, think about it. Those people that get paid to dub things are gonna run out of business because of this, bro. Turn Gangnam Style into English. Yo, let's do this one first. Candy Kush, Candy Kush. Take me and my bonus suit. They pull up at the dinner. Yo, where's Bjorn? Can I summon him? At the dinner. Where's okay? We're gonna do the last. We're gonna lose my. I mean, we're gonna use my last email as well. I have 4 emails, so we're gonna use another one for another 3 for everybody. All right, let's go German.
Mein Geburtstag, lass uns richtig loslegen. Bis später, bis dann.
Go.
In meinem Blickfeld sehe ich den Winkel. Level mein Gehirn und meinen Körper auf wie in Elder Scrolls. Ich fühle mein Blut, es macht mich zu einer psychoaktiven Substanz. Psychoaktive Substanz, psychoaktiv konsumieren. Gras rauchen im Auto, schnell fahren. Es ist eine Weile her in der Bar. Yogamatten liegen unter den Sternen. Ich rauche, während ich aus dem Auto steige. Ich mach's, ich reite das Zeug wie eine E-Gitarre. Absorbiert alles.
Yo, it isolated that voice layer, bro.
Wie eine E-Gitarre. Jahre.
Jahre.
Ich spiele das wie eine E-Gitarre, sauge Strahlung auf. Ich reite das wie...
Bro, that was crazy, bro. I'm downloading all this, bro. Oh my god. Is the second one done? Yes, it's Swedish. Okay, guys, it's Swedish.
Så mår jag.
Samoya.
Ja, så här mår jag.
Samoya.
Vad?
Samoya, bro.
Ja, varför kan inte finnarna försvinna? Okej. Din mamma är nära. Vem är i min bil? Trött på skit i ansiktet. Sprayfärg på en Louisville. Så här känner jag. Mycket heroin.
Yo, this is the old room. Holy shit.
Leker på en
Disgusting.
Låter som Marvel. Jag har gram på knät, förlåt. Stegosaurus i hörnet, fuck out. Kniv i
Fuck
handen,
out, bro.
släpper jag skär.
I need water.
Trying
to kill me.
Skål. Känns som Pirates Prison Rock. Jag har den fatala touchen, Mida.
Nah, that one was insane. Like that one was different. Like it wasn't on key, it wasn't on beat, but it was just I'll give it to it, bro. I'm looking forward to this one though. We just turned this shit into English. Okay, look.
Check me in my bonnet. I arrive with that in my hat. Oh, he knows those kisses so well. Soon he'll step up just right. Yeah, nice foot. All my friends eat well.
Yeah, nice foot, bro. I doubt that's what he said, bro. Yeah, nice foot. Oh, no.
Just right. Yes, soon he'll step up nicely.
And soon he'll step up nicely, bro. What? Wait, what the fuck? Bro. Bro, AI audio dub, bro. I gotta tell Leo, bro. Shit. Yeah. Yeah, I can't breathe. I've never laughed like that in my life, bro. Bro. That's exactly the description for it, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so high, bro. When you laugh, you carrots on my foot. Yo, chill, I'm about to pass out. Yo, bro, I need. Okay, yo, I'm actually dizzy right now, yo. Do Haas by Ramstein in Spanish. Okay, bet. Okay, put down the list. Put down the list.
Yes, everyone eats well. Sharing that foot with each other.
That foot with each other.
I have
Bro.
carrots on my foot. Leftovers from mom.
It hurts.
In the hat, I skip meals at home. I'm getting tired again.
I skip meals at home, bro. Bro, what, bro?
Carrots on my foot.
I got carrots on my foot.
Leftovers.
Like it's nothing, bro.
I have carrots on my foot. Not on all ship, milk in the hat. Knows those kisses on my lips, it's my foot. Don't act up, pull up with soot. Don't act up, pull up with some soot.
Bro, what the that's one of the funniest things I've ever seen in my life, bro. Okay, it's time for the next email. Milking the hat, bro. That is funny as bro. Oh my god, bro. Carrots on my foot. Pull up with some soot. Bro. Stop, I need to breathe. Bro, I just can't, bro. This shit is funny, bro. This is crazy. This is next level, bro. 20th century campfire, bro. 21st century. Okay, my role. Guys, what is my role? Other. Yes. Content. No. How'd you hear about us? Maybe. No. Okay, let's go, bro. Oh, but the audio, the visual is gonna get. Yo, this is a throwback. Is this 5 billion views? Oh my god, it is, bro. 2.4 billion views. The oldies are at billions right now. Yo, Akigamo, Yume wo. Oh, why does he know that? Oh my days. I love that intro, bro. One Piece. Why are we here, just to suffer? Oh yeah, look, peep this. Nah, this was funny. I gotta watch this. I gotta hear this shit again, but it has like the hard R by accident. Like the Russian translation does a hard R. Okay, as soon as it plays, I'm gonna get out. But it's just mad funny, bro. I thought this was real, bro. Черт возьми.
Надо что-то на телефоне. Эта девка сразу хочет. Убирайся с телефона и отпусти. Ставлю, что свет ушел, отпусти. Некуда идти, сидим на заправке. Некуда идти, сидим на Валера. Всем нравится, как мы лучше, брат. У Окс ничего нет, девки нет. Джин в капюшоне, магия.
Девки нет.
Красивая штука заставляет идти характер. Оставил пистолет, у него тоже нет. И с наркотиками пошел в повседневную. Мокрая на тяге, будь на высоте. Есть зеленая рубашка. Девки нет, мыло ей на игру. Не запираем. Думает безопасно, лучше отступить. Выгнал девку, дал цепочку.
On my foot, bro. I can't forget, bro. I just can't forget carrot on my foot.
Style. During the day, a warm, classy woman who enjoys a cup of coffee, but at night, her heart races. Who downs a shot before coffee, but when night falls, a man whose heart explodes, that kind of guy. Gorgeous and charming, yes, you, just you.
It's about to be done, Leo. It's about to be done. I'm watching it right now. Doing it.
A man who gained everything in this world, wealth,
Boy, this is perfect.
fame, and power. Pirate King Gold Roger, as he died, he uttered a phrase that urged people to the ocean. My treasure.
If you want it, you can have it.
Search for it. I left everything.
Why does he sound like a dumbass? Wait, no, wait. Yo, there's a traffic jam.
There's a traffic jam. There's a traffic jam.
No way, there's a fucking traffic jam, bro. That's funny as bro. There's a traffic jam. Holy crap. Okay, I'm getting on Fortnite. Guys, Elden Ring versus Wukong.